tornado siren went off.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
Oh no! Time and it.
Oh
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a voiceover just because I was just randomly talking and I really wasn't filling y'all in on everything. But anyways, this is a video about a tornado and just unexpectedly just happened, and it was just funny parts, funny moments. So yeah, I hope y'all like and enjoy. Also, me and my sister usually go on walks every single day. It did say it was gonna like rain and have a tornado tonight, and it's kind of windy. Like the way everything's looking right now, it's too calm. And me and my sister, we both been in a tornado before. Usually when a tornado comes, usually it's like in a big storm, you will know when it's coming, or calm. Yeah, but we're still gonna take that walk. You nervous about the tornado?
no.
But it is calm. When I like outside, it's calm. You know what that means.
Yeah.
It's okay. I told you, I said, we already know when it's calm. It means it's tornado coming, baby. If it start raining, we turn back around. Our tornado siren went off, so me and my sister stormed, we're running to the house. And now we outside. Hey, don't get scared. Hey, you scared? What do you mean it's coming this way? Oh, my sister was telling the whole story and I didn't get that on recording. And as soon as she was telling the story, I said, "Is that the sirens?" And we started running. I thought it was recorded.
Even the birds are like running.
Yeah. Oh no. Why are we outside? We never outside, y'all. It's just so calm that we're out here. Trust me, we'd be in that bad for them hiding. Y'all was? No, we heard the sirens going off for our home. It's always with the Texas weather, y'all. I was just talking about. Oh no. I was just saying, it was raining the other day. It was hot the other day. It was raining.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
I don't know if they could get that.
Okay, we need to get inside.
What is that?
Y'all, it would be on a Thursday too. Oh no, it looks really bad. Oh, my brother's crying right now, y'all. He's scared. Y'all, it does not.
Look at the clouds. Oh, it's time to go.
Oh, y'all. Oh no. No, hey, no. Y'all, we felt that. Y'all, bro.
We can't go anywhere.
Go get the tub.
I'm scared.
Y'all, I'll get back with y'all.
The same place is the laundry room, the bathroom, and that bathroom.
And then that's what we said last time, and it.
Oh,
Yeah, so we were in the bathtub. AJ, why? What the? Y'all, I could you not? Oh no, we're in the bathtub right now, and yeah, a tornado's coming, and we don't know what to do. Hiding in the bathtub. Pray for us, God. God got us. God got us. Y'all, why are we in the bathtub? Scared for a tornado is really coming, and we don't play them games because we've been through several. So we said no. We said no. We said no.
that was funny.
I don't like that.
We're trying to go outside.
It sounds like the Conjuring.
The Conjuring?
It's somebody's generator.
Yeah, it's really raining. Oh, the light went up and down. Sorry, guys. Yeah, no.
A lightning.
Yeah, I'm staying in mine.
Wait, hold up. A calm lightning hit the ground, and then
My baby! My baby! Kate!
He left Kane out there.
Kate!
How wrong.
Kate said, "Save me! Save me!"
We got a 6'3" dude saving us.
she doing? Oh man.
White meat hit the ground, the meat, and then she ran into the house.
Who, me?
She won't play in
Yeah.
that, huh?
Yeah, you.
She won't play in that, huh?
Yeah, you.
Feel about the storm.
Oh,
Yeah, he just be going through it. Like, he acts like me, so if you know that. Yeah, my baby. We left him outside, y'all. He was outside crying. He was like, no. You know, just for a second, We said no. To catch up a little bit, my dad called me after seeing this video that he thought was funny.
You doing that video? AJ was like, I don't know what she's doing. But I don't want no videos, man. You take care about my face, man. I'm scared, Jesus. Take the will of Jesus. Oh, Lord, take the will of Jesus. Why you doing it to that baby? That baby look like somebody had just told him you get ready to die, son. He's like, oh, God dang. Oh, man, I'm going to school tomorrow, Jesus. Y'all shouldn't have took that video. That baby. AJ was looking like, what? Who you talking to? I don't want to do it. He's just confused. Why are we in the damn tub? I ain't even take no bath. My clothes is on. Everybody's with me. How are we going to die? Oh, my gosh. I wish you didn't show that to me right now. All right, my head hurts. My side hurts. AJ facial expression will forever be in my memory. Because you turned the camera to him. Why would you do that, You turned the camera to him. You're like, goddamn, listen, if y'all seeing this, tell my people I love them. I ain't gonna make it. One love. That was ridiculous. And you put the camera in his face. He's like, oh, man, it's my turn. Tell my mom I love her. Tell all my friends, I say, what's up? That was truly messed up. But
This is the end of the video, y'all. We finally survived. Yes, we was being dramatic, but y'all, can y'all blame us? Bye, y'all.